to Adventure Worldwide. Today we are at Beeston in Nottinghamshire, what's in the East Midlands in the United Kingdom. And we're going to see the lights switch on for Christmas. And you will see Christmas music, Christmas food, and all the funfair stall, market stall, live music, what will be Christmas music, and the fireworks and the countdown, and we're going to get festive on Adventure Worldwide. So enjoy the video and let's get straight into the video. It's all down where all the shops are.
Have a little chicken, go fishing. One thing now.
The teacup ride for the kiddies. Where you can get all bits where you can get lights and stuff for your kiddies. A little Ferris wheel for the kiddies. It's all down there. Got all your lights there. Got all them lights you can get. There's the big tree.
Song to get you in the mood. Are we ready for Christmas now? I thought so. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Beeston Tuneless Choir.
There's the big tree.
Song to get you in the mood. Are we ready for Christmas now? I thought so. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Beeston Tuneless Choir. On this evening, don't go anywhere because we've got more entertainment on the stage for you, and we also have our fireworks display at 6:30 at the end of Foster Avenue. But tonight, we cannot turn on the lights here in Beeston without some very special guests. So my first guest this evening, please welcome him to the stage. It's the worshipful, the Mayor of the Borough of Broxtowe. It's Councillor David Grindell and his consort, Councillor Barbara Carr, and also Councillor Steve Carr. I also would like to welcome to the stage Councillor John Chambers.
Good evening, Beeston. A Merry Christmas to you all in Beeston. A Happy Christmas. I can't hear you. A Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas!
Absolutely super. Okay. Within 2 minutes, the light should go on unless I fuse it somehow. I have a few thank yous. It won't take long.
What is it?
On behalf of Broxtowe Borough Council, events team and Beeston Library, I am delighted to welcome you all here today for the switching on of the Christmas lights. Thanks must go to Beeston events team and putting on such a wonderful festival. Even and Inspire team at Beeston Library for hosting the Santa's Grotto. Please enjoy today entertainment and festival activities. We've got stalls and fair rides, hot food stalls where you can buy yourself a dinner or a tasty sweet snack. Start your Christmas shopping or maybe even a little treat for yourself. I hope all of the little ones had a great chance to see Santa in the grotto at Beeston Library. Ladies and gentlemen, children, the fireworks will come on at 6:30. Now it's time to light the lights.
Are we ready for our countdown? Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas, Beeston. The lights are on, they're not fused. Give yourself a nice round of applause, and of course for Bristol Borough Council and the events team and Beeston Library. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a treat tonight to see all these beautiful lights go up in Beeston. I'd like to say a big thank you to my guests for helping us put on the lights this evening. Thank you very much. We'll see you real soon for the fireworks, so thank you very much. And
the little fun fair here as well. Little fun, huh? Where you can get some raffle tickets and try and win a little car ride over there. Beeston light switch on. Later we've got the fireworks and some more live performances. You know, that is it. Some raffle tickets, so the council store, the cinema, more food store. Raffle and there.
Yeah, there we go, yeah.
Audio Jungle.